Hey everyone, today I'm going to discuss set number 2 of chemistry class 12th board examination paper of 2020. The paper was really simple and let's begin without wasting our time. Predict the stereochemistry of product formed by an optically active alkyl halide through SN2 mechanism. Answer is inversion of configuration. Okay, inversion of configuration. Question number 2, any sol is treated with HI, you will get two products, phenol and CH3I, that is methyl iodide. Okay, remember this. Then question number 3, major product formed when 2-bromobutane undergoes a reaction with alcoholic KOH. Here elimination reaction will happen and butene will be the answer. Then we have instrument used to measure the angle by which the plane of polarized light is rotated, so that is actually polarimeter. Then give one use of CH3I, so it is used as an antiseptic. Then structural unit present in detergent making it non-biodegradable. The answer is it's due to the branched chain hydrocarbons. Okay, long chain hydrocarbons. It's due to that the detergents are non-biodegradable. Structure and monomer of polypropene, really simple, propene. Okay, then identify the liquid which has higher vapor pressure at 90 degrees Celsius. Boiling points are given, so using Raoult's law and vapor pressure, the answer comes out to be liquid number A. Okay, then will the rate constant of the reaction depend upon temperature if activation energy is 0? No, it will not depend upon temperature. Okay, according to Arrhenius equation you can prove that also. Then we have out of zinc and tin, whose coating is better to protect iron objects? So the answer is zinc is better to protect iron from corrosion. Now why? Because zinc has more affinity to oxygen than tin, so it provides a protective layer of zinc oxide. Moving on to question number 11, what is correct IUPAC name of the given compound? So answer is option A. Okay, 2,2-dimethyl butanoic acid. Then number 12, highest number of oxidation state. Okay, very common question. Manganese is the answer. Then hardening of leather, it's due to mutual coagulation. Then out of the strongest base, so it's actually dimethylamine, and you can revise it from here. The order of basic strength is like this: first there is secondary amines, then primary amines, and then tertiary amines, and then ammonia. Then we have hydrofoam test not given by, so it's hexane 3-on. Okay, it's hexane 3-on, it has not CH3 C double bond O group. Okay, then assertion reason, I think these were little bit, okay, just a little bit tricky but still solvable. Okay, so the molecularity of reaction H2 plus Br2 gives 2HBr, it's 2. Okay, assertion is true. Okay, if you know the definition of molecularity. Two molecules of reactants are involved in the given elementary reaction. Of course, only two molecules of reactant are being involved here, so therefore this statement is also true. And why the molecularity is 2? Because two molecules are reacting, therefore this is the correct explanation. So answer is A. Okay, then we have 17th, linkage isomerism arises in coordination compounds due to ambidentate ligand, and ambidentate ligand like NO2 have different donor atoms. So answer is 1. Okay, this is correct explanation. Then we have this gold and silver are extracted by leaching with the help of NaCN, and impurities in these ore dissolve in NaCN. Well, this is a wrong statement, and therefore the answer according to this is assessment is correct, reason is incorrect. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Now moving on to 19th, FF bond in F2 is weak, F atom is small in size. So yes, FF bond in F2 molecule is weak just because of small size of the fluorine atom. Why? Small size leads to higher electronic repulsions and which weakens the bond. Okay, question number 20 was just a little bit twitched or twisted. This has been asked in AIMS exam, and basically there they gave the answer answer as option number 1, but what I think is answer is option number B. Okay, it's not the correct explanation. Why? Because glycosidic linkage cannot confirm if the sugar is non-reducing or reducing, and simply because they haven't mentioned that glycosidic linkage is on anomeric carbon or which carbon. They haven't mentioned the carbon number. Okay, glycosidic linkage is also in galactose and other disaccharides, but still many of them are reducing, so it does not confirm that sucrose is non-reducing. So I think the option should be number 2. Okay, so now let's start section B. Question number 21. We have to predict the order of the reaction with the help of a graph. So it's basically the graph of a first order reaction. And second question says, theoretically, can the concentration of reactant reduce to 0 after infinite time? Yes. Mathematically, using rate law equation for first order kinetics, if the concentration of reactant is tending to 0, therefore the time it will take will be approaching to infinity. So theoretically it is possible, but in reality concentration of reactant can never be reduced to 0. Then moving on to second question, that is 22. Draw the shape of the following molecules. So we have XeF4 like this. It has sp3d2 hybridization and square planar shape. Then HClO4. So here is the structure. It is tetrahedral geometry and sp3 hybridization. Define the following terms: tranquilizers and antiseptics. Tranquilizers are neurologically active drugs which are used for treatment of stress and mild severe mental disease. Then antiseptics, these are antimicrobial agents which can be applied on living tissues as well. So yeah, we can use this definition. In the OR part, we have to explain the cleansing action of soap. So here you can read the stuff, you can pause and take the note. Then we have question number 24, where we need to give the formula of the given compound. So as you can see, this is the formula of first question, and this is the answer for second question. Please note it down, it's really easy. 25, it's formula based numerical, so on solving the answer comes out to be this. Okay, 20 atm. And moving on to second question, 26, that is we have to name the structures of monomers in the following polymers. So nylon 6,6, it's hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Buna S, it's 1,3-butadiene and styrene. Okay, these are the two monomers. Then what happens when butanone is treated with methyl magnesium bromide? Methyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent, so it will yield 2-methyl 2-butanol. Okay, then the second is decarboxylation reaction. Sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, therefore decarboxylation will take place, and this is the reaction as you can see, and formation of benzene and Na2CO3 will happen. So here we have completed section 1 and section 2. Now let's move on to section number C.